Raw onions may not be everyone's favorite vegetable, but they are packed with numerous health benefits that make them worth adding to your diet. These pungent bulbs are not only delicious when added to salads, sandwiches, or salsas, but they also offer a wide range of nutrients that can improve your overall health. One of the most well-known benefits of eating raw onions is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Onions contain a variety of antioxidants, including quercetin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. In addition to their antioxidant content, raw onions are also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, a protein that is important for skin health and wound healing. It also acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Raw onions are also a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, as it plays a key role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Another benefit of eating raw onions is their potential to lower blood sugar levels. Onions contain compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. This can help prevent spikes in blood sugar and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as heart disease and nerve damage. In addition to their health benefits, raw onions are also low in calories and fat, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. They are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, folate, and manganese. These nutrients are important for overall health and can help support a healthy metabolism. Despite their many health benefits, raw onions can be difficult for some people to digest. They contain compounds that can cause gas and bloating in some individuals, especially when eaten in large quantities. To reduce the risk of digestive issues, it is best to start with small amounts of raw onions and gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. There are also some tips to make raw onions more palatable for those who may not enjoy their strong flavor. One option is to soak sliced onions in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes before eating them. This can help reduce their pungency and make them milder in taste. Another option is to mix raw onions with other ingredients, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, or avocado, to balance out their flavor. In conclusion, raw onions are a nutritious and versatile vegetable that can offer numerous health benefits when added to your diet. From their high antioxidant content to their potential to lower blood sugar levels, onions are a powerhouse of nutrients that can support overall health and well-being. Whether you enjoy them raw in salads or cooked in soups and stir-fries, incorporating onions into your meals can help you reap the many benefits they have to offer. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a few onions and start reaping the benefits of this humble vegetable.